Hello, welcome to the basement. I have a few things here. I found a disc box. It's actually quite good. I like it. It's kind of wood and stuff. And I thought, ooh, more discs for the Commodore 64 or for the pet. That is what I thought. And they were buried away in a box of VHS tapes, which I have to go through. Anyway, I opened this up, and what do I find? Nothing of the sort. I find CDs. Tranquility, classic moods with nature. Is the thing in here? Yes, it is. All right, good. And then I find Vince Gill. And he must be in here. Code V, special price. Because it's not even open. Though it looks like the thing might be a little cracked. Vince Gill. Vince Gill. And then we find Lionel Richie, a Renaissance. And is he in here? He is. And here is Sade, Love Deluxe. But are we in here? Yes, we are. I Do, the best video album in the world ever. So I imagine, oh, and it's in here. Oh, there's two of them. Look, they flip. So I guess these would have songs that would be good, supposedly, for weddings. John McDermott, Daughter of Mine, Luba, When a Man Loves a Woman, Anne Murray, Could I Have This Dance, Peebo Bryson, and Roberta Flack. Tonight I Celebrate My Love. Oh yeah, UB40 with Chrissy. Hyde, I Got You, Babe. Sheriff, When I'm With You. Prism, Night to Remember. Frozen Ghost, Dream Come True. Righteous Brothers, Unchained Melody. Atlantic Star, Always. Freddie Jackson, You Are My Lady. Gladys Knight, Best Thing That Happened to Me. Luther Vandross, Here and Now. Nat King Cole, Unforgettable. Oh, and that was disc 1. 30 of the most requested wedding songs, a collection of love songs are perfect for any occasion. On side disc 2, Buddy Holly, True Love Ways. Mark Jordan, Let It Be. Selena, I Could Fall in Love. Richard Marx, Now and Forever. Stevie B, Because I Love You, the Postman song. Joey Gregorish? Together, the new wedding song. A lot. Alias, More Than Words Can Say. Foreigner, Waiting for a Girl Like You. Spandau Ballet, True. Jennifer Rush, The Power of Love. Stylistics, Betcha by Golly Wow. John Williams, Wedding Celebrations, and The Bottle Dance. Sir Neville Mariner. Pachelbel, Canon. Frederick Bacot, Wagner. Wedding March from Lohengrin, something. Andre Previn, Wedding March from Mendelssohn's Midsummer Night's Dream. And they're there. I should give these a try. What else do we have? The Glory of Christmas. And, oh, it's got 2 different discs. And I imagine they're in there, because this has never been opened. What do we have here? Party Mix. Party Mix Volume 3. Oh my. Is it just one? Yeah, it seems to be one. There seems to be an awful lot of stuff on here. Maybe it's just little bits of it. Or maybe. No, maybe it's, wow, there seems to be like 104 things. Party Mix Volume 3. What is, over 100 songs featuring CCR medley, rock and roll medley, swing medley, and many more. As seen on TV. Dance hits. Over 70 minutes of non-stop party fever featuring Missing Children, Fast Love, Gangsta's Paradise, just a little bit. And is it in here? Yes, it is. What else do we have here? Supernatural Santana. Ooh. And it looks like 13 songs. Clive Davis and Carlos Santana, album producers. And is it in here? Yes. Ooh. And it's mighty colorful, too. All right, things to try. Bob Marley includes Rainbow Country, Memphis, Soul Rebel, and more. There he is, Bob Marley. Interesting. Did I know these were here? No. Here we have Beethoven, Moonlight Sonata, and other classic sonatas. And it must be in here because it's never been opened. Ooh, this also has never been opened. It's Whales of the Pacific. It's funny that a lot of these cases look like they are a little damaged. Perhaps as I'm going through things and I find things that have cases that are okay, but CDs that are missing, I should swap them. Bob Marley, Trench Town Rock, including Don't Rock My Boat, Kaya, Soul Shakedown Party, and many more. And it must be in here, because this too has never been opened. Film and TV themes. Raiders of the Lost Ark, The Empire Strikes Back, theme from Star Wars, Close Encounters of the Third Kind, theme from E.T., Ben-Hur, and many others. Volume 2. And is it in here? Yes, it is. I should try these in the car. Alright, now, I think, though, I am going to take these to the car at some point. I am going to try them. I'll open them. I'll see what's what. Some things maybe I'll leave in there, because you just never know. But this box, this is going to be used for 5 1/4-inch discs. Probably Commodore 64 things. We'll see about that. Anyway, you never know what you'll find in the next box. You just never know. Anyway, thanks for coming to the basement. We'll see you again. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.